Just taking a classic walk. Here, take some money. Okay. 20 million hours later of walking. What the? A monster truck, please. I'm going in there. All my walking paid off because I can actually afford that because that guy always gives me money every day. I'm going inside. Even though that did take me like 2 million days. Also, it's snowing. I'm gonna go up. Let's go inside. I'm heading inside. Oh, I see the building. Let's go inside. Oh. Whoa. M-Tower. M&M Tower.
Permitted, with the exception of child jury members and permissible larger bags.
Oh my gosh, I see the entrance. M&M Tower. Oh, thank you. What the heck? Oh, what the heck? M&M's in the M&M Tower. All of my walks paid off. How can you carry those on your head? How can you carry those on your head? Monster Jam!
Not the guy, but I don't really trust much of what she says. I don't either.
Can I be on TV? Hi, hi. Hi, hi.
Just do a quick. There's the driver. There's the driver, right?
Oh, that's the driver, guys. This is how interviews go.
We're going on TV.
They're on TV, guys.
Monster Jam fans, give it up for Andrew DeMont in Megalodon. One of the coolest things is that the Monster Jam trucks are actually customized to you guys. How cool is that?
On the trucks makes it the real thing, right? You see that every day.
Background.
As well. See one can also check those videos out on YouTube.
A unicorn motorcycles. Bet. Up there. I can't believe we got the VIP. It says very important person. Anyways, you guys should go check the part 2 because it would be epic on that too. So, part 2's out. Go see.